Hey, it's Ryan Cavino with Northeast Realty Partners and RyanCavinoRealEstate.com, bringing you your Charlestown, Mass condo market update in a excuse me, a busy week we have had with 17 properties to go through here. We got 7 new listings, we got 7 under agreements, and 3 sold. We have this. Let's check out 15 Parker Unit 1. Is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath for $324. Just came on the market. Looks recently renovated. It's near the Sullivan T stop, so it's kind of on the Somerville line of Charlestown. Not a lot of pictures, just about 6. Central air and 1 parking spot, which is awesome. It looks like we got a little mini development over on Winthrop Street. No pictures available. It's along the Freedom Trail overlooking Winthrop Square. It's a 2-bedroom for $349. It's about 650 square feet. 3 parking spaces. I'm guessing that's 1 parking space per unit. They're all 2-bedroom, 1 bath, unit 2 and 3. We have 57 Bartlett Street, unit 8, which is a 5-room, 2-bedroom, 1 bath for $395. It's about 785 square feet, and it does have 1 car parking, and it's close to major highways, public transportation, the Monument Square, and there's additional parking nearby. Got washer dryer hookups in the unit. Again, close to 800 square feet. I like this property. I think it's gonna move quickly. It might be just a tad too high, but I think that's a good price. We have 33 Elm Unit 2, 2-bedroom with parking, 2 full baths, 1 master, almost 900 square feet. Very nice feel. The kitchen cabinets are in great shape. The appliances are not stainless steel, but certainly serviceable by all means. Hardwood floors, plenty of closet space, and pretty nice unit there for $435 over in Charlestown. Lastly, 73 Chelsea Street, Unit 406. This is right around North Washington to turn right at Chelsea. This looks like it's the top floor, and we're overlooking the Navy Yard, or kind of overlooking the Navy Yard, or in the Navy Yard. I really can't tell. The windows look out, but don't give us any true views. Let's see if we can get another look here. That is the Navy Yard, no doubt about it. And this might be like right on like one of those brick buildings there. That's right next to like Meza and that coffee shop on that street. About 1,050 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2 bath, 2 deeded garage parking spots, which is fantastic. All right, let's take a look at some of these properties that went under agreement. 16 Trenton Unit 2. It's a 1-bedroom for $365. It is on a nice tree-lined street. They have some great outdoor space. There was the dog. Very, very nice unit. Pottery barn feel. Very pretty. Here's what's interesting. It says 1-bedroom. There's a bed here. And then there's a bed here. So is there a bed and 2 beds in the same room? I don't think so. Maybe it's a 2-bedroom. Or it has a nook. 365 Bunker Hill Street, Unit 2. 362 Bunker Hill Street, Unit 2. It's a 1-bedroom plus. And this looks like it's completely done over. 379, really nicely done. It's got some private balcony with city views. And there is another property in the vicinity of this place that's on for 1 something, so take that into consideration when you're thinking about this area. I'll see if we can bring it up in a minute. 30 Monument Square, Unit 108, 15 days, 1-bedroom, 1 bath for $425, 1 car off-street deeded parking. We got 20 Mystic Street, Unit 2 is a 2-bedroom, 2 bath. This took a while, 322 days, and it's really pretty too for $429. 885 square feet, and just really done over nicely. I'm surprised it took that long, but it is what it is. We got one in the Navy Yard for 2-bedroom, 2 bath for $478, beautifully renovated, no interior picks, so we'll move on. It only took 1 day to get that property under agreement. 21 Chestnut Street, Unit 2, another quick one at 38 days. In the Gaslight District, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, $529. It's amazing that just a couple blocks can change about $50,000 to $75,000 easily. And then 5 Lexington Street, we saw this. This is the attached townhouse for $709. We looked at that in the single families. What sold? 16 Union Street, Unit 2 for $389. This was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Was on the market. Did you see those nice wide pine floors? This was on the market for 151 days and was a conversion, so maybe it was on the market before it sold. Yes, in 2005 for $680, so it was a while ago. 1685 High, Unit 3, sold for $505. It's a renovation of a classic urban townhouse. This is really pretty. Only 3 photos, but it's a nice looking place. Let's check the property history on 85 High and see when it was. No, it sold. One still might be under agreement, and it is. 85 High, Unit 1 sold for $590, and this is a just one picture there, 1,400 square feet. Great job, 48 days. Let's throw in all of the properties in Charlestown. For condos. Now I want to go on find that Bunker Hill one. 195 Bunker Hill, that's what it is, right down the street from that 362. This one's on the market for 164, and that is bank owned. So, condo, the average asking price right now in Charlestown is $500,000, and there's 108 properties on the market. The days on market, the days on market is 113, just under 4 months. The under agreement this week, 7 of them. Average asking price $473, and average market time 86 days. And what sold? We had 3 properties that sold. It's a $494,000 average at sales price, and days on market 82. So everything's fairly close. We got the stuff on the market right now is the average is $500,000. The stuff that went under agreement is 25 grand less at $473. And the stuff that sold was $6,000 less at $494. Actually, $5,000 less at $494.6. So the properties that sold this week were highly desirable, only taking an average of 82 days. Then the stuff that was under agreement, also fairly desirable at 86 days, with just one in there that really skewed everything that's been on for 322 days. Ironically, that property was one of the nicest units. Maybe it was a little bit overpriced, but that's where we're at. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Ryan at ryancavino.com.